Hello, welcome to my channel. This is One Thread TV. So today we'll be doing two things. One, to unbox this Wi-Fi, and secondly, this particular video is dedicated to one of my subscribers who asked where you can actually reset your mobile Wi-Fi. Okay, so this is mobile Wi-Fi, and this is how this particular one looks like. You will open it this way, and this is the battery. First of all, you put the SIM card. This is the SIM card that you have to register before you make use of it, but this is a registered SIM card. So you do like this, put it this way, SIM card. So you do like this. Oh, sure. Sorry. Okay, here we are. So this is your battery. You cover it. Okay, so this is the on button. It's coming up. Okay, so we are on. So in our previous video that will be showing immediately at the end of this particular video, you need to go through the video for you to understand the essence of this short video. So some have been asking where they can reset their password, especially if you are someone who normally gives your password like Father Christmas, but you decided not to do that anymore, but you don't know how you can reset the password. So this is what you need to do. To some of the passwords, to some of the reset button, they are actually not the same though, but this particular one, as you can see, if you look at the body, you may not see where you can reset your password. So now you can't see any hole. So this is what you do. You open it here. Let's search for the hole. Okay, and here we go. There's a reset here. Reset. So you use a pin and clip the pin inside this hole. Your password will be set to factory setting. It's as simple as that. It will be set to factory settings. As simple as that. So actually, some of the Wi-Fi, some of them have the physical this thing at the body, but this particular one, due to the type of this, has its own beside the battery when you open the battery. So but you need to watch the video that is showing on top of this particular one for you to be able to understand this particular video. Thank you so much. Bye for now.